I can show you how to make this cute polymer clay crab in just a few simple steps. For this project, you'll need red, white, and black polymer clay, a toothpick, thin wire, fingernail clippers, and a non-metal baking dish. To start, roll a large marble-sized piece of red clay and roll it slightly oblong. Roll a thin snake of red clay. You're going to make 6 crab legs from this. Cut 3 sections of the snake, 2 shorter and 1 slightly longer. Attach them together at one end and smooth the tops of the other end. This is one set of legs that will go on the side of the body. To set them in place, you can use a toothpick to help. Do the same thing for the other side. Cut 2 pieces of wire just about an inch long each. Roll 2 small oblongs of red clay, and with one of them set the wire inside. Roll it around the wire and smooth it out, leaving space at the top and the bottom. I'm going to insert these into the body, and then the eyeballs are going to go on the top. Do the same thing for the other side. Now we're going to make the claws for the crab, so roll 2 small pea-sized pieces of red clay and make it into a flattened oval. Use a toothpick or a knife to cut a slit about halfway through the claw, and then press it out so that one claw is slightly longer and curves just a little bit around the first. Do the same thing for the other claw. Cut 2 pieces of wire a little bit longer than the first 2 that you cut. Roll out a thin snake of clay and cover the wires just like you did for the eyes, leaving a space at the top and the bottom. Stick one end of the wire into the body and stick the claw on the top with the shorter claw facing in. Do the same thing for the other side. Wash your hands really well to get all the red off before you deal with white clay. Roll 2 small balls of white clay to make eyeballs, and then place a teeny ball of black in the middle of the white. You can use a toothpick to help you set these in place. Now to make the mouth, roll just a tiny piece of black, and we're going to make it into a little smile to put on the body. You can use the toothpick to help you get that where you need it to be. Now roll 2 red balls that are larger than the white ones that you made and flatten them out slightly. Use a toothpick to help you place the eyeballs in the middle of the red flattened balls that you just made. Carefully place the eyeballs on the exposed wire. Once you've finished your crab, place it in a non-metal baking dish and bake it according to the clay manufacturer's instructions. It should be about 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, but be sure and check the directions. Once your crab is baked and completely cool, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more polymer clay ideas and other crafts. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.